Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. And to do this you will need to open your camera, then go to the photo mode and click on these three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Let's restart the camera because I think something is wrong. Here you can see macro mode, enable it and close the toolbar. Now pick up your phone and find the object you want to take a photo of. Make sure it has a pretty good light and click on the shutter. And that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.